Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is alphabet in pictures. In today's session, we will understand about the 4 alphabets M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. In today's session, we will start with letter M. After L, it comes M. M sounds M. Let us start the session with the help of video. This is letter M. M says M. M, moon. M, monkey. M, mango. M says M. M says M. M, moon. M, monkey. M, mango. M says M. M, moon. M, monkey. M, mango. M says M. Moon, monkey, mango. This is letter M. Let us understand how to write letter M in cursive. This is capital cursive M. This is small cursive M. Capital cursive M, small cursive M. Let's start writing. Start from this point, come down, go up, come down with a curve. This is capital cursive M. Capital cursive M. M sounds M. M says M. This is small cursive M. Start from this point, come down, go up, come down, go up, down with a curve. Small cursive M. M sounds M. M sounds M. M, moon. M, monkey. M, mango. The king of fruits. Next comes up letter N. This is letter N. N, nest. N, nose. N, necklace. With N, we have nest, nose, necklace. N says N. N says N. N, nest. Nest is the house of birds. Birds के home को, house को nest बोलते हैं, which is with letter N. N, nest. N, nose. N, necklace. N, necklace. This is letter N. Let's understand how to write letter N in cursive. In cursive. Here we have letter N. It looks so beautiful. You will get to know how to write it. Start from this point, go up, come down, go up again with a curve. This is capital cursive N. Capital cursive N. This is small cursive N. Come down, down like this. This is small cursive N. N sounds N. N sounds N. N sounds N. N, nest. N, nose. N, necklace. You know what comes after N? There comes letter O. O sounds O. O, orange. O, onion. O, owl. O sounds O. O sounds O. O, orange, which is in orange color only. Orange का color भी orange ही होता है. O, onion. O, onion. O, owl. You know students, owl awakes at night and sleeps in day. O, orange. O, onion. O, owl. O sounds O. O sounds O. In cursive, it is very easy to make O. Let's see how to make it. Just start from one point, make a round. Without touching it, come down. This is capital cursive O. capital cursive O. This is capital cursive O. This is small cursive O. Start from this point, make a round, and from the up middle, do this curve. O or orange. O or orange. O or owl. O or onion. O or onion. After O, there comes letter P. P says per. P per pigeon. P per parrot. P per pen. We have two birds here with letter P. P says per. P says per. P per pigeon. P per pigeon. P per parrot. P per parrot. P per pen. P per pen, which help us to write. P says per. P says per. P per pigeon. P per parrot. P per pen. Let's move to the writing part and understand how to write letter P. Form a slanting line. Go upwards and make a curve. This is capital cursive P. Capital cursive P. This is small cursive P. Let's make it come down and like this. This is small cursive P. Small cursive P. Capital cursive P. Small cursive P. P sounds per. P sounds per. P per parrot. P per pigeon. P per pen. That's all, students, for today's session. I hope you all are now aware with sound M, N, O, P. M sounds M. N sounds N. O sounds O. P sounds P. That's all for today's session.